Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it is your first time here. My name is Rhiannon and I post on YouTube 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and then sometimes additionally on the weekend as well. Please do subscribe if you enjoy this video and hopefully if you want to see more videos from me. So today's video is going to be how I style my short hair. Now I've had short hair for I think about 4 years now, and I had it on and off when I was younger as well, really short hair. I think I've had short hair for the majority of my life, so I feel like I'm well versed in knowing how to quickly style my short hair, how to make it look nice in a bit of a hurry. I've got my go-to looks down, and yeah, so today that's what I thought I'd show you, just how I style my hair on a regular basis and the things that I go to do that. Also, please, this is a disclaimer, I started using the Isle of Paradise tannin water spray, which is amazing and it's worked really well on my whole body, but I accidentally got it all over my hands, so my hands look like this, my nails look like they're dirty, but the water went inside my cuticles and I can't get it out. And I've literally used like Sif, the pink stuff, obviously soap. It will not come out, so apologies about my hands. I know, okay, just move past it, try not to look at them, just look at my hair. Okay, so we're just gonna get into the video, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. This is just straightening my hair. I've got like wavy hair, so I find it the easiest if I blow dry my hair straight and then use a brush and like alternate the brush and the straightener through my hair, and that seems to be the most effective way for me. Okay, for this hairstyle, I first of all take 2 sections at the front of my hair which are gonna like be out of the ponytail, and then I brush everything other than these sections to the back of my head and make sure that they're really smooth and they don't have those weird bits at the top or like on the crown of the head. And then I use a bobble and literally just tie it up, and I always tuck the little bits behind my ears. And I just like this hairstyle. I think it looks really stylish. For high ponytails, I like them to be really tight to my head, like the Ariana Grande look, you know. So what I do is I take my head upside down, which you just saw, and then I sort of smooth all the hair into the ponytail. And then there's always little stragglers at the back. Just use a little bobby pin and pin them up. Yep, she's doing it there. And then there you have it, your high ponytail. I do curl my hair with straighteners, but this can be done with curlers as well. There, I'm sort of showing you the little technique that I do. I've already curled the bottom section, as you might have saw in the little previous clip that I had in. But yeah, I just literally run the straighteners through and twist it around twice. And I just repeat it over and over again, and it ends up with this like loose curl that I really like. Okay, so I start this in the same way that I do the ponytail, and instead of smoothing it all back, I sort of bring sections out of the hair, and then I use a bobby pin to clip it up. I really struggled with this today because it was really smooth from the straightening, so it's better when you've got dirty hair or if it's like curly or whatever. And then, as you can see, I'm just using a straightener to curl those little front bits, and I'm done. This doesn't need explaining. I'm literally putting a clip in my hair. But I'm doing a voiceover anyway. Sorry. a pretty easy one as well. I'm just literally taking the top section of my hair and tying it in a little bun. Really doesn't have to be neat, I think that's part of it. And I've got my hair like a little bit curly underneath, but you could have it curly, straight, whatever you want. So that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas for some hairstyles that you could possibly do with short hair. I'm sure you could do it with even longer hair or even shorter hair. But these are just some examples of what I throw together on a regular basis. If you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe. I post every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so there's nearly always some fresh content on my channel if you enjoyed this video and you want to get to know me a bit better. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I shall see you very soon.